So, okay. So, so four views are there. I have viewed one.
Okay.
So I'm
So
I'm viewing the last yesterday's video from morning. Is it not showing the last video?
last video only I'm
NumPy.
presenting,
Oh, okay. Then it's one is mine.
right? Only four people have watched. So what I'm saying is, guys, become serious, please.
Yeah.
Because slowly things will pile up,
Yeah.
and
People.
already I have taught a lot of things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay?
A lot of things are there.
These many things are not taught in any tuition or anything. Okay,
It's a
sorry.
course.
Okay, so
Uh, Kedar, course
yes, sir.
company called up and was asking me, you want to do AML and all. Just like that, they kept calling me once. Then they finalized how much the price is. 4 lakhs, they say.
Yeah. It is actually 4 lakh content I'm giving.
I was wondering their IIT staff faculties will come and people from Amazon and all will
Yeah.
and take the classes. I said, okay, man, we'll discuss later. I said, they kept calling.
So how much AIML course, right? Including Python, uh,
No,
Gen AI,
no,
and
agency.
Agentic AI cost.
Coursera
For
only
1 year.
called me. Coursera only said that. 4 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs. You can pay EMI and all they were saying.
Yeah. So it will go for like, so the course which I'm giving, right? It is coming around this range.
Um,
Okay? So don't think that my course is very inferior. It's no one
it's
teaches.
it's high quality only.
Yeah.
Yeah, since it's,
But my students are itself not watching.
I will ask Rehan to watch. He is very
Mm.
passionate on.
No, don't trouble him in this. He has to deal with maths and all, right?
Yeah,
So,
when I initial days I was sitting with him because I
mhm.
had a hand injury, right? I was
Yeah,
asking him to write the notes and all. He was so passionate.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, kids. So now I have started showing the value outside, right? Mathily knows. Mathily, how much people charge outside?
Maithili knows everything, all rounder.
It's
No,
like
no.
1 to 1.5 between around that.
Yeah. Right?
For me, they charge 4 lakhs Maithili.
I
You started
actually
from maybe any.
I did lot of courses. Okay, I have spent 4 to 5 lakhs and learn nothing.
My God.
Okay, in like 2019 onwards,
Mm.
I kept on doing some. What basically happens, they will do 2 hours master class,
Huh.
right? And they start pinging you with these many people got placed, these many get got placed. So I was
This
giving like 50,000.
placement
Yeah,
assistant also they will
yeah.
give all those.
And after that, they are giving recorded videos and all. So
Certificate they will give this all the time.
certificate is of no use, sir.
Yeah, that's what I said. Without knowledge, no
Uh,
one will be using it. No one will check that itself.
so utilize this course. If my course is being hit right, next year I'll increase the prices.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. We are there. We're supporting.
Yeah. So I'm not doing it for since it is my passion. I'm doing it.
Correct.
Yeah.
You
So
know,
how it okay, now let's keep it very light today. So how it started is initially Maithili called me. I posted somewhere like my struggles and
uh,
all
uh,
in LinkedIn, right, Maithili?
Yes, yes.
So I was telling that I was teaching physics, chemistry, math, AI, ML. Then she said, Kedar, you are still teaching. I said, I'll teach, but if you alone are coming, right, prices will be very high for one person, one on one.
Yeah.
So then I added few people, you guys added, okay, and then Mathili brought something. So now it is useful for all. Okay, so
Correct.
please utilize this time, and I'm taking very light classes, okay, but giving you very deep contents.
Yes, you're right.
So whatever I know, I am giving. Okay? Outside videos and all are available, but they will not help much. Okay?
It's random videos.
Yeah, so random videos. Something will pop up and they'll say that NumPy in 1 hour, Panda is in 1 hour.
Interactive session is very costly.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can ask any
So
number of questions with you, right? Very
yeah,
helpful. Cute.
and
Utilize
but
it.
I'm seeing now the practice is decreased. Okay? You guys agree?
Of course, but we are hanging
No
out.
one is practicing.
Correct. We are stuck up with the NumPy itself. Not.
So no, take notes. See, Python itself is very difficult, right? If you're not practicing.
Yeah.
So take notes,
Hmm.
practice. Now we are in third month, second month. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And NumPy onwards, it is going to become tough.
Humongous.
Not very tough.
Hmm.
I'm creating the videos and this session in such a way that you'll understand it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yep.
NumPy, pandas, there are so many things, right? That's the reason I was asking yesterday. You guys are open for 1 hour every day, like morning 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock
Okay.
a.m.
Hmm.
But looks like not possible. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I didn't know how to write these things before tuition, right? Now I'm able to write.
All
So
right.
you,
Got it.
I'm writing an iPad, uh,
Nice.
but my handwriting now, as I write in the notebook, pen and
Hmm.
pencil, it is coming now. So I'm also improving now. Okay, so
Good. Good.
it's but guys, practice taking notes. Okay, I see many people are not coming today. Also, Satish came.
Satish, Sindhil only missing.
Sendil said,
Yeah.
Satish,
Uma.
Satish, are you there? Okay. Okay, so we'll go to what we covered yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, so yesterday we started NumPy, right? Okay, one by one. What is the full form of NumPy? Who will tell me?
Number on Python. Numerical.
Numerical.
Sorry.
Numerical
Numerical.
Python.
Python.
Okay, so what it is? Yeah, it is numerical Python, but what it is?
It works with array.
Yeah, so it works with array. Uh,
C language.
it, yes, yes. So it is a library,
Library.
right?
The library from C.
Yeah.
Yes,
Developed in C.
it is not developed in Python, so you will not get it in Python. It is a library developed in C language, right?
Correct. And dimension. Di-
Using C and C++. Some, right?
mm,
That's the reason it is fast.
yeah.
Right?
And it supports mathematical operations
Yeah,
or equations.
correct.
And
It,
dimensional array can be done.
yeah. So the main purpose of this is to create n-dimensional arrays.
Dimensional arrays.
Yeah.
Right? N-dimensional arrays, and it does heavy lifting the maths. Right? So very complex mathematical operations are done here. Very complex mathematical operations are done. We'll see how it does. Done using NumPy. If NumPy is down for 5 minutes, right? What happens? Entire world's like 70 to 80% AI tools will be gone. Okay? Companies' market price, stock prices will be down heavily. Okay? Now the question comes, right? We studied why Python is fast? These are questions in interviews as well, right? Why NumPy is fast? First of all, it is developed in C,
C,
right?
yeah.
And C is relatively
Homogeneous.
fast. C language is relatively fast.
And is homogeneous.
Yeah. So arrays are stored in homogeneous memory, not homogeneous collection. Arrays are stored in homogeneous memory. Like all the elements of the array will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be memory efficient. Right? But list will be stored somewhere here, somewhere here for list. Right? So it is homogeneous storage. So first one is developed in C. It is homogeneous storage. Right? The third one, right, for complex operations, right? You don't need to write loops and all. So what I'm saying is it supports vectorized operation. Right? I'll show you today. It supports vectorized operation. Means suppose if you have a matrix like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? And if you want to multiply it with 5. So in normal Python, what we have to do, like you have to take for loop, take the range or size everything, then go and do for I in this much, right? Then multiply with 5. But here you can simply write it like this. Suppose if your array is this, if your array is this, you can simply print a star 5. So what it will do is, like, all the elements will be multiplied by 5. 10, 15, right? Then 20, 25, 30. 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45. So this is very easy, right? And it does is very fast, right? So we'll see lot many examples. Okay. And it uses less memory. Less memory yesterday we saw, right? Suppose here by default int is taking 64-bit, right? So we can restrict it, right? Correct?
Mm.
How will you do that? Let's assume I'm creating an array A equal to
Equal to
numpy dot array, and inside I have like 1, 2, 3 elements. Just giving small. So now each one is having like 64-bit, right?
mm.
64-bit, 64-bit. But I have an option, right? If you feel that your numbers are smaller and you you want to save memory for a larger array, right? So what you have to do, you have to
D type equal
d
to
type
mm.
equal to int
Mm.
16 or int 22, 32.
Mm.
It should be a multiple of 16, 32,
Mm.
and 64, something like that. So
Mm.
now it won't take 64 now, right? Because you have assigned each one will take 16 bits, right?
Mm.
So 16, 16, 16. So total 48 is coming. 41 bits are needed. Right?
Mm.
So it saves a lot of memory. So what did we learn? Why it is fast? Because it is developed in C, right? it is memory is uh, I mean arrays are stored in contiguous memory. Right? NumPy arrays are stored in contiguous memory. Right? It supports vectorized operations because vectorized means you don't require loops. Right? No need of loops like for loop, while loop. Those loops are not needed. For is not required. Right? While is not required. Okay, you can directly perform as we write in our notebook. Right? This is how we write, right? As a human does. 5 into 5 is 5. 5 to just
So, bro,
10.
I have a question. So, why does Python or NumPy, right? Like it's 64-bit by default. It could have, see, since we are trying to achieve the memory,
Mhm.
why by default it always sets up 64
Yeah,
if in case
which,
that's
because
yeah, that's
if you go to C, right? In C, what
mm,
happens is all the int, right? Integer takes 64 bit, right?
yeah, that's right.
Right? And float also takes 64 bit. Right? Since it
Mm,
is designed in like C, so by default C's feature are coming here. Okay?
mm, mm,
And on top of that, when NumPy scientists, right, when they developed, because they will take a baseline, right? They
understood.
cannot design everything from. So maybe C is a father, right? And from there
Mm,
NumPy is designed. So all the existing property of C came here, right? And then NumPy got created, right? So in
mm,
NumPy they have overridden some properties. So these are overridden
mm,
properties.
mm.
Okay?
There's one more question. So when we are just setting up for the memory efficiency, we're setting up to 1632
Mm,
and the lesser bits, right? So
mm,
so if in case our memory is getting exceeding, like say if it's a bigger number, we are dealing with say float or a long integers, data types. So it will simply throw us the out of memory issue is what we can expect, right? If in case we are restricting, but then our data type is exceeding the restricted memory size, then it would be throwing C out of bound or out of memory issue.
yeah, it will throw
Error,
some error, but
error.
because see, if you know that I'm making a big calculator, okay? So
Mm,
you will not use 16 bit, but you still feel that I'm doing a small uh, manipulation of like no
some
marks.
average of
Maybe
marks.
maybe
Yeah.
you're developing some
Mm, mm.
software for school, college, and all. So there the marks will hardly go 0 to 100. Right?
Yeah.
So big numbers will not. So we have to be like no and
On the use case
doing yeah.
perspective. Understood. Okay.
We have to do our due diligence before giving the data type. Right?
Got it. Yeah.
Okay. Then okay. So I'm still doing the revision from yesterday. Which package has to be installed if you want to use NumPy?
Pip, pip,
Now, NumPy, import NumPy.
No. First we have to
pip,
install
pip.
Pip
pip install.
install.
This question comes, guys. I was asking.
Babu, you should not forget this pip.
Pip install NumPy. Okay. And if you want to use uh, right, if you want to create an array, right? Okay, what will be the first line? Right? We have to import it, right? Devananda, kindly tell what should I import? Okay, someone tell.
NumPy.
So, im-
Yes. So,
Import
Import
NumPy as an
as
alias name.
uh, any name you can give. But
Yeah.
since it is NumPy, I'm giving NP. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please create
Shweta,
a small
without
array.
this alias also we can import, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the
So
import
yeah,
NumPy. So wherever we use that, we have to use NumPy.
yeah. But
We
if
are
you go
not
to
under.
if you go inside your company and all, they will use this. Okay.
will be easy when we want to change somewhere.
Yeah, because if you're not doing it, then what you have to do? You have to write like this.
So every places I have to change it as
Num
NumPy to
yeah,
some other
numpy dot
variable.
array,
Correct.
right? Then create something, right?
Yeah,
Something like that.
but this way also it works.
Yeah, it works. This will also work. But since I'm teaching and this is a standard, right? Everywhere it is np dot
Same standard.
method,
Yeah, thank you.
right? You can do it. Right? Okay. So we also learned, right? Suppose I have this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my matrix, right? And now it has 3 rows and 3 columns, right? But this is not three-dimensional. Okay. This 3 cross 3 is number of rows and number of column. Right? And this gives order. Right? 3 into 3 is not dimension. Okay. Dimensions are like how many brackets you're using. Correct? We had seen it yesterday.
Yes.
Anyone has any doubt? Yeah. How can I find the shape of this? Suppose I want to find the shape of any matrix. What will I use?
We could
A
use
dot
the shape
shape.
method. It's a method or function we call it, right? So what do we call it? A method or
It's a see anything which comes with object is method.
method? Okay.
So because what are you doing? Right? See here. Uh, shape we didn't learn yesterday. We learned, right?
We did. Sure. Say it gives you three items, right? Block, row, and elements.
Yeah. So anything which is coming with an object, A is an object. A dot shape. Right? So this is method. Right?
Yeah.
But if you're writing something, A dot, let's assume reshape, right? And it takes some parameter, like 2, 3. So this is function. Clear? See, functions and methods are not different. Okay. But for the simplicity purpose, what we call, okay, if anything which does not take arguments, we'll treat it as method because it is being called with object name. Right? And this is being called with object name. Right? But it is taking some argument, so you can call it a function. Right? But don't worry. Here the Python will give you everything. Suppose it is f, right? Yes. One minute, guys. Yeah. So what I'm saying is, suppose you have taken an array like this. So I'm giving with error. Okay. NumPy dot array. Let's see what error comes because I have not imported. It is telling name NumPy is not defined.
NP, right?
No. So I have not imported.
Oh, okay.
I can import NumPy also. And I can give an alias to this as NP. So
And
this
every time,
NPy, the
every time,
NPy and NP both are same.
correct. Yeah, I understood alias name, right? But every time you need to import it, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
One seat per time. Okay, in this Jupyter notebook, you are importing it once. It
Okay.
will be available for this file.
Okay.
Okay. So just type a dot, right, and tab. You will get all these methods. Right? Yeah. It is calling functions. Right? Some is instance. So it treats everything as functions only. Okay? Nothing method, whether it takes argument or not. So this separate. It is an instance. See? So instance will not take any argument. Clear?
Method won't take arguments, right?
Yeah. Method will not. But Python does not take as like method and functions. It takes instance and functions. So
Okay.
anything, I mean, method is simply treated as an instance here. So for us, this is method, right? But it for Python, it is instance. Instance an object, instance of a class.
Okay.
Shape will be defined somewhere, right, as a uh, method only. Right? So we are directly using it. Okay? So let us not go very deep into these things. Yeah, we have to. We have so many other things to do. Okay? So s- shape we did. Today we learned reshape. Suppose if you want to know what dimension it has, right? What will you do? A dot
D
end in,
numeric
ND.
and ND.
end in, right? It is also instance, or you can say method. How can I hide it? So hide video panel. Yeah, fine. So now today we will do more on metrics. Okay? And metrics should be very clear, guys. Very much clear. Else we won't understand NumPy. So what is metrics? You can say something like this, right? So if you're arranging your data in this format, in rows and columns, so this is a matrix. Okay? You can put it inside a variable. Yeah. So there are certain operations. First, I will say vectorization. So if I'm multiplying it with something, right? Lambda a into a. Right? So what will happen, right? If I'm multiplying this with this one, so it will become lambda a. Okay? Means right now a is there. Okay? If I want to write phi a, sorry, 5A. So all the elements will get multiplied, correct? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay. So without writing any for loop or something, with the help of NumPy, we are able to do the multiplication in single line. Hmm. Second thing I want to cover is, suppose we have another vector, another matrix, right? I keep on telling. Matrix addition. So suppose I have a matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can take any matrix, okay? But we should understand how it works. Suppose it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm printing A plus B. You're just printing A plus B. So there is no need of running any for or loop. Okay. Like we did in our class 12 and all. You just write A plus B, it will give you the answer. Okay. So what happens? This one will get added with 5, 2 will get added with 6, 3 will get added with 7. Okay. Then this 4 will get added with 8, 5 will get added with 9, and 6 will be 10 with 10. Okay. Similarly, this 7 will get added with 11, 15, 9 with 3. Okay. Get it right? So now this and this will get added. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Then 2 plus 6 is 7. Then 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 plus 8, 12. 5 plus 9, 14. Then 6 plus 10, 16. So likewise, operations will happen. Correct? Anyone is not understanding? Team?
So it means the first row, the first column of the first matrix has been added to the second matrix, right? Row
Yes, yes, in place.
in place. Okay,
Hmm.
this is the addition. Mm.
So then we can do the other way around also.
Mm.
This was addition.
Mm.
The third thing will be your subtraction.
Yes, subtraction.
If you are doing A minus B,
Mm.
then your result will be this minus this.
Mm. And
So
will it also show those negative numbers if it's
yes. So 1
okay.
minus 8, 2 minus 9,
Mm.
3 minus 10. Right? Then 4 minus 12, 1, 4 minus this 4 minus 11.
Yeah, yeah. Minus 7.
5 minus 12, 6 minus 13. Okay. Now 7. I'm writing 14, 15, 16 here.
Mm.
So this will be 7 minus 14, okay. 8 minus 14, 9 minus 14. Right? See, we can just learn like this. Create two arrays, right? and do A plus B. But in your interviews, they will ask you what is
Mm.
the meaning of addition, how multiplication happens, how
Mm.
matrix multiplication, how. So because these are the foundation of AI and ML. Okay. So we have, I know no one teaches, but I am just stressing that we should learn. Okay. I'll tell you why. Because all these are foundation guys. Okay. And maths is very strong. Not PhD level maths. It's small, small.
Yes.
Now
So,
A dot B. Okay. You're just doing multiplication.
yes.
Don't worry about cross and dot. How it will happen?
Now, what you're saying, this is cross or a dot, you're saying? I'm not getting. This is a
That
multiplication.
you, you
Okay.
you don't worry about cross and dot. Cross and
Okay.
dot product comes in vector, not in matrix. It is multiplication.
Yeah.
It was subtraction. Now multiplication.
Mm.
So what happens is I'll take a small array because the calculation will be very difficult.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I'm just doing multiplication. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing with this. So this is your row 1. Right? This is your row 2, row 3. This is column 1. This is column 2. This is column 3. Right? So now we are doing A into B, right? Not cross and all. I'm not going A dot B. I'm doing A multiplication B. Right? So what has to happen is, let me clear, it will be easy. Right? So this row R1s will be multiplied with C1. Right? So all the elements of first row should be multiplied with this. Right? Give me a minute. How multiplication? Matrix multiplication.
Bro, can you just a little bit scroll a little bit up? The first
Yeah.
function which we saw,
Hmm.
addition, and then before that, what we saw was
Vectorization.
vectorization. Okay. That's simply into 5. Okay, I got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so leave it. That's confused there. Understood.
Any doubt?
No doubt. No, I just took notes as if you already done multiplication, and I already multiplied two matrix together. I
Hmm.
didn't really see this with this 5 into A. I'll change my notes.
Okay. So it's a big matrix. I will take small for everyone's. Okay. Then we'll go for a big one. So I'm taking a small matrix. Okay. Which one you guys tell me? Maybe my age. One moment. My age 1, 2, 3, 4, and B age 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So it is, this is row 1, this is row 2, and this is column 1, and this is column 2. For this also, this will become R1, row 1, row 2, this line, and this will become column 1, this will become column 2. Okay. So in order to multiply, what we have to do is, this is the most tricky part in matrix. Addition and subtractions are easy, but multiplication you have to be little careful. Okay. Today, not able to write properly. I'll write it neatly. Okay. Because we are going to learn a very important concept. Okay. So this matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Into what was our example? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm taking 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now, what I am saying is this row should be multiplied with this column, right? And this row should be multiplied with this column. Okay. Okay. So it should come like this. Right? Now 1 into 2.
1 into 2.
No, 1 into 5
Okay.
plus this will multiply with 5, right? And 2 will be multiplied with 7. Correct?
1 into 5.
No. This R1 into C1. Right? Then, so R1 into C1 first you do.
Okay. It's 5. Okay.
1 into 5
1 into 5.
into 2 into 7.
2 into 7. But
Then
bro, just
wait a minute. Please let us understand this. You'll ask the doubts. Okay?
Yeah.
It will be very clear. Now, so this is the first element, right? So second element will be R1 into C2. This is C1. It will be very clearly, let us do once. Okay? Now 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. Clear? See, what I'm saying is, it has 4 elements, right? So multiplication will also have 4 elements, right? Something like that. This x, where from it is coming? Okay? Means 1 and 2 are getting multiplied with 5 and 7. Okay? So 1 will get, this is row, this is column. So 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7 will give x. What is the formula? R1 into C1. And the second element will be R1 into C2. Every row will be multiplied. See, first row will be multiplied with first column. And first row will be multiplied with second column. Okay? Similarly, second row will be multiplied with first column. And this will be multiplied with second column. Yeah, now you ask what was your question?
No, the question is so why only in multiplication we do this, because if you go up the subtraction and addition, it is like straightforward, like can you just
Yeah,
go it up. So only for the multiplication we have this, isn't it?
correct.
So yeah, that's what I want to ask.
Yeah. Addition very easy. Just take these two and do. But multiplication is, how will you multiply then? This is 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 6,
Yeah.
12. No. That's wrong.
But that's the mathematical rule, or is there any reason that because we have learned this in the
No,
childhood?
mathematical rule is this. Mathematical rule is this. Matrix
Mm,
multiplication is like this. Maybe
okay.
dot product and cross products will come. Okay. But
Mm.
multiplication is always each row will be multiplied with
Is the second
column.
column, first column, row into column. Yeah.
Yeah. R1 plus C1. So it will be very easy, right?
Yeah. Just row into
Some
C1.
practice.
Just addition and subtraction.
No, just concentrate, no? One.
Yeah.
Let me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Others, are you understanding, guys?
Yes, okay, got it.
Right?
Trying
What I
to.
am saying now, see, our solution matrix should also have, if it is 2 cross 2, right? 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 columns. So my solution matrix will also be having 2 into 2. So 2 rows and 4 columns, 2 columns only will come. Right? Here something will come, here something will come, here something will come, and here something will come. Right? What will be that something now? That something will be this one. You are doing, this is first row, right? This will be multiplied with this. Right? Just say that you are going horizontal and then vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Right? So you're going horizontal into vertical. Right? Here also horizontal, again horizontal and vertical. This is for second into vertical. Right? Now first row things are done. Now second row will happen. For second row you'll go horizontal 3, 4. 3, 4 will be multiplied with 5, 6. So horizontal into vertical, then horizontal into vertical. Right? Now this horizontal is row 1. This vertical is column 1. And see this row itself is row 1, right? So here row 2 will not come. Here row 1 into column 2. Right? Now this is for row 2. Right? So you are taking this horizontal with this vertical. Clear? And when I say horizontal vertical, means 3 should be multiplied with 5. 4 should be multiplied with 7. So positions will be taken. This is the first position in row. So first position in row, R1 will be multiplied with C1. Right? This is R2 into C2. Sorry, C1. Right? And then R2 into C2. Anyone is having any doubt? Team?
We'll
And
do a program. I mean, do a calculation.
A program will not teach.
No. Do another calculation.
Yeah, yeah. So once we do calculation, it will be clear. So what I said first, this will have 4 places, right? So this row,
1 into 5
first row with first column,
plus
then first row with second column. So what I'm saying, first
1
row
into
with
5
1,
plus
1
2
into
into
5
7.
plus
2 into 7.
2 into 7. So this is done.
Okay.
This element we got.
Okay, nice.
Now, next we want to get the second element here. Right?
1 into 6
Yeah, so it
plus
is 1
2 into 8.
into 6 2 into 8.
It's
Let
3
me,
into 5 and
now
4 into
this
7.
will be 3, 4, 5, 7.
Yeah, 3 into 5 and 4 into 7. 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. Okay, now got it.
Then 3, 3, 4, right? 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8.
Now got it.
What you can do, see here. First I am doing this, right? 1, 2. 1, 2 is being multiplied with 5, 7. Right? Now this 1 will not be multiplied with 7 first, right? First 1 will be multiplied with this, 2 will be with this, right? Or if for understanding purpose, what you can do is you can just mark them as this 1, 2, 5, 7. Right? Just multiply with this plus this plus. This is also possible. For understanding purpose, you are doing. Suppose horizontal and vertical is giving problem, right? You put them in horizontal both and just multiply and add. Similarly for 2, 4 also, or maybe 1, 1, 2 and 6, 8. 1, 2, 6, 8. How I'm telling you to do 1, 2 with 6, 8. Okay? If you're facing difficulty in understanding, just rotate it. Both take in a vertical way. Okay? 6, 8. Then multiplication, just remember this and this will be multiplied 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. And this will be a cell. So this cell is this. Right? Anyone has any trouble now? Okay. Let us do another one. My age 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And B is 1, 3, 5, 3. Okay. Or I'll just change it. 5, 1. Okay. Now I want to calculate A cross B. A into B. Who will help me? So
Can I do?
1 into
yeah.
1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. No, 2
No, no,
into
no.
5.
Nisil.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I want others to also get familiarized. Maybe Prabhu, can I pick you?
Yes. 1 into 1.
Okay. 1 into 1 means
Say A.
this row with this column.
This
Okay.
column is. And 2 into plus 2 into 5.
2 into 5. Yes. So for R1 with this is done, right? Then R1 with this column should also be done.
Yes. And 1 into 3.
Okay.
So 2 into 3.
Okay. Then 2 into 3 or
No.
1 into 3.
1 into 3 only. Right?
Yeah.
1 into 3 plus
1 into 3
plus
plus.
2 into 1.
Okay. Now for this second row. Second row,
Yeah.
first column.
3 into 1 plus 4 into 5. And 3 into 3
Now this with this
and
column. 3 with 3.
plus 4 into 1.
Now this is whatever value
1 to
comes,
1.
we can write 10
Yeah,
plus
10
1.
plus 1, 11. 3 plus 2, 5. 23. 9 plus 30.
Okay. This is our answer. Right? So now we'll go for a bigger one. Okay. three. In your interviews, they will ask you find the multiply this in the first round. Then you have to write a program using NumPy. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 3 cross 3. Now B is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rules remains the same. Only one entry will increase. Okay? So A cross B will have now 1, 2, 3 elements. Right? 1, 3 rows, 3 columns. Correct? Because it is 3 cross 3. This is also 3 cross 3. So we will have 3 cross 3 only. Right? Now we have to find what will be coming here, what here, and all these places. Right? Clear?
Yeah.
So now we'll do one by one. Now someone volunteer who wants to do. So first this row, the entire row, R1 with C1, all this. So it will be 1 into
2.
2 plus
2 into 5.
2 into 5,
3 into 8.
3 into 8. So first element is coming. Right? Now we'll go for second. Now first row and first column is done. So first row with second column is needed from here. Right? So first row means 1, 2, 3 will get multiplied with 3, 6, 9. 1 into 3 plus
26.
plus 3 into 9. Now first row, third column. So 1, 2, 3 will multiply with 4, 5, 7. Like 4, 7, 10. It will be 3 into 4 plus 2 into 7 plus 3 into 10. Yeah. So
why one first probably the same in the second, but not a thing for it.
sorry, I'm not getting what you're talking.
The third value, why it's
Oh,
in
okay,
the
okay, okay. Uh, that's the reason I'm telling someone help me. Seeing and typing is a different thing. Because I'm looking at my iPad and doing. So 1 into 4, 1, 4, 2, 7, 3, 10. Right? It is done. Now this row, second row with first column, 4, 5, 6 with 2, 5, 8. 4 into 3, 5,
4
6.
into 2.
4 into 2. Sorry. First 4 into 2 plus 5 into
5,
plus
8.
6, 8. Right? Now 4, 5, 6 with 3, 6, 9. 4, 3, 5, 6, 6, 9.
That's not
Now this with 4, 7, 10.
4 into 4.
Plus
5 into 7. 6 into 10.
So now second row with all the columns are done. Okay. Now third row with all the columns we have to do. Okay. So now this with first first column. Okay. 7, 8, 9 with first column. It is 7 into 2
8 into
plus
5,
8 into 5,
9 into 8,
9 into 8. Okay. Then 7 into 3 plus
8 into 6,
5
no,
into
8 into
6.
6, 8
Yeah,
into
8 into 6 plus 9 into 9.
9 into 9,
Now you'll
7
write.
into 4, 8 into 7, 9 into 10.
So this is your answer. One, I hope it is clear, guys.
Yeah, bro, I have a question. So
Okay.
this is right. So let's say we have one in like the matrix goes like this. This just only three columns, the 3 rows and 2 columns.
Okay.
3 rows.
3
Let's say
rows.
one, yeah, 3 rows. 1, 2, below 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mhm.
So it's the same fashion you are trying to multiply with the same column. Like say, pick any number.
What? 1, 2?
Yeah, whatever the number is, 1, 2, or 6, 7, 8, 9. Whatever. See.
Cash and over cash
Mm.
Then you do that.
Yeah.
This one with this.
Right. How do you say like say
Then this
1
one
into
with
1? 1 second, bro. Let me call out the numbers, right? 1 into 1.
1
Let's
minute.
write it. Yeah.
Let us do together.
Yes.
1 into
1 into 1.
1,
I'm just muting. Can you mute Michelle?
2 into 6 plus.
Yeah. Which one do we multiply?
So
So that's
order is,
my question. Yeah.
yeah. So there is a condition also. Right?
Hmm. But looks this both only the columns and rows are not equal. Yeah.
No, no, no.
Uh,
So condition for matrix multiplication.
hmm. Hmm.
To multiply. See here. Okay. There was one condition.
Bro,
Number of columns in
I was
first
talking on
matrix.
mute for a yeah, for a minute. I was talking on mute. So I was asking,
Hmm.
am I?
Yeah, yeah, you're making sense.
Oh yeah, I'm okay. Got it.
So what is the condition is like if number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Right? It is telling here number the columns. Right? Means suppose if you're writing m cross n, right? And this is also m cross n. So number of columns of first matrix should be number of rows in second matrix.
I hear a lot of background noise. Is there someone talking?
Guys, please go on mute.
Yeah.
Right?
That's an issue.
N should be equal to M. Then only. So N is like 2. Right?
And M is greater.
No. So here it is 3 cross. No. It is 2 cross 3, right?
Yeah, that's what. 2 cross 3.
2 cross 3, and it is having 3 cross 2. So the condition is this M, right? And this should be equal. No, not like that. So number of column, right, means column of A, or you can say A's column should be equal to B's row. Right? But that is not the case now. Right? Here is 3, right? Here it is
Column and row.
2 cross 3. Right?
Column and row.
Okay. So you are confused now. Right? What is the condition is? Suppose your matrix is, you selected this, right? Correct? And you brought this. So no need of there also, right? No need of that condition also. Let's see whether it is possible or not. So 1 will be multiplied with 1, 2 will be multiplied with 3. But there is third element missing here, right? And third is here. So its multiplication is not possible. So once you do it, you will be able to figure out whether all the elements are there or not, right? So here the rows, right, should be equal to column here. Here one row is missing.
Yeah.
The rows of this and columns of this should be matching. Clear one?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Anyone has doubt here? Right? NumPy will take care of all these things. But multiplication, anyone has any problem? Okay. So let us do some example then. A equal to, how will you write 1, 2, 3 now?
Open brackets, comma, 1, comma.
No. So
Open braces. Okay, yeah. Already we have imported the NumPy, so
NP dot.
yeah. So I'm giving one matrix. Do I need to import again? No. NumPy is already there. So np dot array. You can write like this. So now 1, 2, if I'm writing, this is not matrix, this is single dimension, right? So at least I will take a matrix in this form. 1, 2, and then 3, 4.
another close. Okay.
You can write it like this, so that now it is a matrix, right?
Yeah.
Now print, let's print it comes or not. 20. Uh-huh. Hmm. Right. So this is which dimension? A dot. Should be 2 dimensions, right? So now I should take another matrix. Right? B equal to. Can you copy this? I'm going 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can print. See, it is very easy. If you just want to learn NumPy, it will do. But we should understand why that happens. Right? So what did we do? Give me a minute. Here, so I have this matrix 1, 2. Right? So your this row and this column. Not that.
Yeah, 1 into
This
5.
row and this column.
Yeah, 1 into 5.
Plus.
Plus 2 into 7. 3
Then?
into, 3, 3 into
No,
5. And we're just going for the next 1 into, okay, I got it. That's right, bro. I think we have to go for the second row, right?
First row we have to complete, no? First row 1 is not complete.
Oh, yeah.
So row 1 will be
Okay,
going with
just,
row 1.
6 into 8. Okay, let's go for it. 1 into 6. 2 plus 2 into 8.
Then
Yeah,
we'll go for
next
row 2.
row.
Let's change the color.
3 into 5. 3 into 5.
Now this will go with
7.
plus.
4 into 7.
Then row 2.
Yeah. 3 into 6.
Plus.
4 into 8.
Yes.
5, 14. 5 plus 14. 19.
Why it is giving wrong? Oh, I added.
Yeah, you added here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is wrong. Right?
It's totally different. So if you see the output, it is saying 5 into 1, like
Wait
5 into 1,
1
7
minute.
to,
Which
yeah.
it is giving dot product. Wait 1 minute.
Oh, into.
1 minute. There are three multiplication. Okay. So NumPy, how it does. Which one is right symbol? One minute. Let me try whether this gives right or 15. No, not be.
It was correct, right?
Which one is it?
At you gave earlier. At
Yeah.
that gave the calculation correctly. 19 and 22, 43.
Okay. So it is at.
Yeah.
Okay. This symbol we are learning. Okay.
Correct. We have to change. Correct.
Okay. So for multiply, this is a symbol. Okay.
Mm.
At the rate. How many of you didn't understand the calculation and all? Mathili, clear?
Yeah, it's the
Sudhakar,
Hello.
getting buddy?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Devananda, this is the foundation. On this only our machine learning model will be there.
Understood, Keller.
Okay. Krishna, I understood, right?
Yes.
All right. So now a plus b, a minus b is very easy. Let me just delete all this. So if you're going for a plus b, so it is giving 6, 8, right? 1 plus 5, 2 plus 6. In place addition happening. If you're going for minus, right? In place 1 minus 5 minus 4, 2 minus 6 minus 4, right? Things like that. Okay. For multiplication, don't do this. Right? It will give you cross product. Right? So simple multiplication, the symbol is a and. Okay. Okay. Now, if I do b minus 1, will my result change?
Yeah, negative won't come, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why negative will come? 5 minus all. Yeah. I mean, here it is.
Minus B should be negative.
Yeah. Right? So far, any doubt? No, right?
Okay, then. Fine.
Okay. So we'll go for reshape now. Okay. Okay. Before that, there are few things. Now I have like this transpose of a matrix. Uh, so transpose means suppose your matrix is this 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Then transpose will be written like this: A transpose equal to. So what happens is the row will become column and column will become row. So row will be changing into column, right? And column will be changing into row. So 1, 2, 3 for your writing, right? So now you have to write column first. 1, 3, 2, 4. So the row became column now, right? 1, 2 was row, 1, 2 became column. 3, 4 was row, 3, 4 became column now, right? So transpose is nothing but matrix rotation by how many degree? From here, if you're going 90 degree, right? So 1, 2 were here. Now 1, 2 is coming this side. So matrix rotation by 90 degree. So it's a very important interview question for data science. Okay. They will say that rotate a matrix by 90 degree. Okay. Or somewhere they'll say that find A transpose equal to what?
Mm.
So if this kind of question comes, you have to explain it, right? What is
Mm.
transpose? Transpose is nothing but rotating a matrix by 90 degree. And how will you do it? Row and columns are getting inter-exchanged. Okay? Row becomes column and column becomes row. Let us do a bigger one. Suppose you have 3 cross 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Now I'm writing A transpose.
1, 4, 7.
Yeah. So 1, 4, 7. So this.
No, I think it has to be in the column row. 1, 4, 7.
Okay. So just see here.
1, 2, 3,
No.
4,
Always
5.
go with row only, ma. Right?
Row
Row will
only.
become
Okay.
column. Right? So you should
Okay.
tell 1, 2, 3.
Acha.
1, 2, 3. Then this
4,
column
5, 6.
row will become column. Right?
Mm.
7, 8, 9.
I said in the column wise 1, 4, 6.
No problem. Okay.
Thanks.
And in NumPy we write it like this. We will not write a to the power t. We'll be writing a dot t. Okay. We'll see.
And here we don't really have that rule, right? That column and the row should be.
No, not because
No, yeah.
you can find the transpose of even one dimensions. 1, 2, 3. Suppose it is like this, then it will just become 1, 2, 3. Correct?
Mm,
This is a transpose. So row will become column. There is no
okay.
rule because we are not doing any operations. We are just rotating it by 90 degree.
Understood. So it's 3. It is 1, 2, 3.
So if my matrix is like this, first we have to create. I'm writing 1, 2, 3. This is my matrix. Four, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Let us print.
You need to close. Oh, you've done that. Okay.
Yeah, I've done it. It is here. Right?
Mm. A
Print
dot
A.
T. Okay.
So 1, 2, 3. Right? Now I'll do print A dot T. So I'm also forgetting the font text and all. It did it or not? See, whatever was row became column now. Right? And column became row. Right? Anyone has any doubt, Tim?
Mm.
Okay, that. Okay.
Good.
Clear?
Yes.
So I just wanted to just call this
Hmm.
right. So when we have single row, for,
Okay.
what I'm saying is uh, two columns. Sorry, this is okay. Three
Yep.
rows and two columns. The same fashion which we did, right? So that's
Hmm.
turning into three. Yeah,
1 minute.
let's say
1
yeah,
minute. 3.
1, 2, 3. Just type in a 1, 2,
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
3, and then 2, 4, 6.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we transpose this.
Yeah, we can transpose.
Yeah.
Just transpose
So
like this.
1, 2. I'm just saying in the column way. 2. Yeah. 2, 4, 6.
Possible.
Yes. So it becomes like this. Yeah.
So this row became column. You're
Mm.
writing 1, 2, 3. This row became column. Then don't like this.
Yeah.
This is A transpose. Is there someone who is not from science background and not able to understand here? Everyone is clear?
That's good.
Okay. So we saw this, right? Now we'll show determinant. Yeah. Before that, we can do some other things. We can do a reshape. Suppose your matrix is like this. Reshape. Hmm? Suppose I have an array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And I want to reshape. This is my A equal to fine. This is my array, right? NumPy array. Right? So what I can do is A dot reshape. Right? And we can pass here, like you see how many elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Suppose 2, comma 3 you are writing. So it will convert this into 2 into 3, 2 rows, 3 columns. It will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something like that. Yeah. So one dimensional. this this is also interview question. Like, how will you change an array from one dimension to another dimension? Right? So reshape will work. Yeah. We'll see. Then we'll come back and explain you. Suppose I have an array A is equal to np dot array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us do with smaller amount. 6 elements are there.
Mm.
If I want to do a dot reshape, I have to find, I have to provide how many rows and columns I want. So you want 2 rows, 3 columns. And if you're putting it in B, and print B. So it is giving me 2 rows, 3 columns. Right? I can also do 3 rows, 2 columns. I'm coming to the tricky part here. So 3 comma 2 is not giving. So I should print C here. Okay. Until here, anyone has any doubt? No, right? Suppose I will write here itself. D equal to A dot receive 3 cross 3 and print B. Okay. It will give error. Okay. Because we don't have 3 into 3 9 elements. So the size of this array and the multiplication of this, the second array, right? If you have 9 elements, then only you can club them into 9. Cannot reshape an array of size 6 into 9. This array has size 6. Right? Now I'm trying to fit into 3 into 3. So for that we need 9 elements. 9 elements are not there. Right? 7, 8, 9. Now it will work. Now again if you're giving one more element, 10, right? And if you're doing it, it will not work. Okay? So the size of one array and the size of another array should be same. Right? Got it, guys? What I am telling, right? So reshape is used to create, I mean, one dimension array can be converted into 2D, 3D, 4D using reshape. Right? And this reshape takes rows and columns, right, as parameter. Rows and columns. Right? But since you are reshaping an existing array, right, existing NumPy array. So this value, right, suppose you are passing here 3 comma 3. So the multiplication of this will be 3 into 3 is 9. So in your original array, there should be 9 elements. Then only it will be able to arrange it. Okay.
So can I say like this? The array
Yeah.
size should be equal to the multiplication of the rows at the columns ratio.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Now it should be exactly equal. Even lesser will not work, more will not work. Right?
Mm.
B, if you're typing a dot reshape. Right? Now this will only work. Yeah? Sorry, 3 into 3 only will work. 3
But
into 3 is 9.
3 into 2, okay. 3 into 2 also will not work. Huh?
No.
Yeah,
How can it create 3
it
rows and 2
cannot create.
columns? Two
Yeah,
elements will be left, right?
left
This will not
one
work.
will.
Right?
Yes.
1 into 9 or 9 into 1 will work. Okay. So should be a multiple. 9 into 1 is 9. Okay. So it will work. Not 10 elements, 9 elements. Okay. Even 1 into 9 will work. So the easier way to remember, like understand this is like suppose we have 9 elements. What are the multiples of 9? 1 and 9. Okay. 2 is a multiple of 9. No, 2 is not multiple of 9. 3 is multiple of 9. Yes, 3 and 3 will be multiple of 9. Okay. So only this will work. 1 into 9 and 3 into 3 will work. Okay. Now suppose we have 12 elements. Right? Can someone please tell me what and what will work? Definitely 1 and 12 will work. Right? Then 2 12 divisible by 2. So 12 and 6 will work. 2 and 6 will work. Then is 3 divisible? Yes. 3 and 4 will work. And then 4 and 3 will work. Okay. Only these numbers will work. So 1 will go with 12, 2 will go with 4, and 3 will go with 2 will go with 6, 3 will go with 4. Okay. Only these things will work. Okay. Let us do that. This NumPy is little tricky, but you understand the maths, you will be like no champion here. Okay. Suppose array hatch array. Okay. Now inside I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And believe me, guys, in interviews, you will be confused. What is a safe reshape and all. So I'm taking a here ARR reshape. 1 and 4 will work. No, 1 and 12 elements, right?
12.
So 1 and 12,
12
if you
will work.
multiply, 12 should come, the size.
Hmm.
Print D.
Ah,
This will work. Now 2 with 6 will go. 2
12
will 6 means 2 rows, 6 columns you are telling.
Yeah.
2 rows, 6 columns are coming. Next will be with 3, how much will go?
2.
So here you should be careful. System will not provide anything. So you want to create something out of your this, right? You should know the size
6.
of a array.
Need to find the size.
3, 4 and 4, 3.
6, 6, 2.
Yeah, 6, 2 will also work. 6, 3 will not work. It will give error. Because size is 18 now. 6 into 3, 18. But our array has only 12 elements. Okay. I hope you guys understood.
Yes, Kedar, we have understood.
Okay. Excuse me, guys. Yeah. Now we'll see the axis. Axis in matrices. Uh, so your x-axis, this is your x-axis, right? And this is y.
This is where I always get confused.
Confusing?
No. Last time also when you were taking, like, I couldn't really understand. I was able to understand, but after a very long understanding, really I was able to.
No. So no, axis is what? X and y, right?
From
Now
my childhood, I keep doubting if I
1,
can know this.
2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah.
So
This-
what I'm saying is now if something is here, right? So its axis is it is at distance 1 and y is 0, correct?
Okay.
Y will be increasing this side, right? Y 1, 2, 3.
Mm.
At this point, x and y both are 0. Right? Now you went one step ahead, right? So you travel in x direction, right? But in y you did not travel. So y is 0. Right? At this point, what is happening? You are still traveling in x-axis, right?
Yes.
Right? So is it 2, 0? Right?
Okay.
So here it is 3, 0. Right? So if any point is on x-axis, so its y value is 0, right? You're traveling only in x. So same thing happens in y. Suppose if you're going only in y direction, so you are traveling in y, right? So your y is 1 and x will be 0. Here in this point, you didn't travel in x. You are only going in y. Right? At this point, what will happen? Here, the coordinate of this will be only you are going in y, right? You travel 2 in y. You did not travel something on x. Right? From here, every distance is taken from the origin. Right? Suppose this is a point. In order to go this point, you have to travel x this side and y this side. Okay? Then only you will go there.
Mm.
If you're not traveling here and here, you won't go. In order to travel x direction, you have to travel in x. In order to travel y direction, you have to travel in y. But in order to travel here, you have to travel x and y both. It is in 2D, like our aeroplane and does. Right? Projectile motion happens like this.
Mm.
So now this concept I'll be using here. Okay? In NumPy, it is widely used, and it's a it is a most important question in interview. Okay, you can expect it. Maybe first question might be coming from axis. Right? Understanding axis in NumPy matrices. Question. There is a topic also.
Mhm.
So basically, what is axis in NumPy matrices? Yeah. Let's do. So suppose my matrix is like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now I want to find sum of all these. So what I will do, right? I can simply print
A plus C.
a dot sum,
Okay. Okay.
or
Sum of
no sum of a, yeah, not a dot sum,
um,
sum of a, right? Let us print this, then we'll come to axis. Okay, I don't know whether I'm printing it correctly or not. Okay? So my array is a, numpy dot array. Everyone is there, right? Someone left. One, comma, 2, comma, 3. So I'll create a matrix. So at least 2 dimensions should be there. 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now let us print sum of a.
one more set bracket, and we need to close it for the one
Mm,
2 dimension. There's one more to go.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Lina.
Mm.
Okay. So it is giving sum. Now I want to do the sum of this 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 means row sum and column sum.
A into A. Can we do A into A? No, sorry, A plus A. Will that work?
No. That will work.
Okay.
Sum of a plus a.
So there. Okay. Mm.
And that will definitely work.
No, I'm just asking, bro. No, with this. So last time we did a array of an A, and then we added with B, right? A plus B we did. So can we just do A plus A, simply like addition in the matrix?
Yeah,
So
we can
it
do.
should, okay.
We
A
can do.
plus, okay. It's just, okay, got
Just
it.
double.
Yeah.
1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4.
4,
Make it doable.
6, 8, 10, 12.
But my purpose was
Okay,
to
got it.
teach you like, or to make you
Mm.
familiarize what is axis.
Mm.
Now, I don't want to do this.
Mm.
I want to do axis wise sum. So here I'll be writing axis equal to 0. Uh-huh. Wait. This will come together. Sum of a, two brackets. It is wrong. Sum of a comma axis. Any axis we don't know. Axis equal to 0. Sum go and also keyword axis. Space. 1 minute, guys. Axis is not there. Which field? Can someone search in laptop whether axis is there? Oh, it came.
Yeah, we can.
I got it. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong with NumPy array itself. This is by the sum. Okay. See here. I was using sum of Python. We should use numpy.sum. Hmm. Okay. Now this will not work. This is Python. Hmm. Here also we print it, right? Like this. If you're doing sum of a, so we are using Python, but we have to use np.sum And we should pass, I think, A here. Okay. Now this is, now we print here. Yeah. 21. So now see the difference, guys. When you are using this, okay, sum of A. What it is doing? It is giving this sum, 1 plus
Entire
4
set.
to entire sum, right? But NumPy dot sum, what it does is it actually adds everything. Okay, clear? So now NumPy dot sum, what it does, okay, it will actually add all the elements. NP dot sum, okay, and you are passing here. So it will do this kind of addition. Right now I have not given axis here. Okay, so it is giving whatever sum is coming here. Okay. Now you want to only add this row, sum of rows, okay, row wise and column wise. Let's do that. What will you keep in row and what will you keep in column? Okay. Same thing. Now I'm giving here axis equal to 0. So what happened? How it is going is very important to understand. Okay. See here. This is axis.
Strong.
So your elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is row 2, row 1. So when you give axis equal to 0, it printed this one. Right? Clear? It added when you are taking axis equal to 0, it means it is column sum. So NumPy, if you're mentioning axis equal to 0, so it treats everything as on the column. Okay, so your matrix will be added like this, 1 plus 4. Yes, this is column wise. Okay.
Kedar, one question, but we didn't specify this x-axis or y-axis, right?
No. Axis equal to 0 I gave.
Okay.
So
Which
from this,
axis is it? Y, x or y?
that's what I'm giving. So okay, so matrix first of all will not be in XY axis. Correct?
Oh,
Matrix will 1 and 4 will where it will come. using 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In matrix
Correct. Yeah.
system. So somewhere it will come here. So it will be in XY axis. It is not in X axis or Y axis. But what I am saying is, suppose you want to get the sum row wise, column wise, correct? Here, what we are planning to do, we can do row wise sum, right, or column wise sum. If you are doing row wise sum, it will add all rows 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, and second will be 4 plus 5 plus 6. These are rows. If you want to do column wise sum, it is becoming so thick. Want to do column wise sum, you will be adding them, 1 plus 4, then 2 plus 5, and then 3 plus 6. Correct? So in order to mention that one, see, if you are not mentioning anything, what it is doing?
It takes
So if you are
column.
not, yeah, column. Okay. And axis 0 is also, okay. Let's do one by one. I'll put both. So I'm not giving anything Mathli. And let us comment it. Why? Okay. So it gave me 21, sum of everything, right? Now I want only column wise sum. I want my output in this way. Because in your Excel sheet, right, there will be sales data and other things, and you want to know like what will happen. So somewhere your data will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it might be your day one data. It might be your day two data, right? Day three data, right? And this might be like first half, how many sales are happening. Second half, how many sales are happening. Third half, right? Now, if you want to know on day one, day two, day three, on first half, how much sale happened? Second half, how much sale happened? Something like that. So you need a facility, right? So that facility is given by Axis. Getting, guys? Now I only want them to give me sum of this, right? In Excel sheet we do, right? How do we do? Suppose it's 10, 20, 30. This is your column A, B, C. Okay? And this will be sum of this column, this. Okay? So what is this? We got the sum of each column. So if you want to get sum of each row, here you will do. Okay? This is also sum and this is also sum. We'll be doing this. So exactly I'm trying to mimic the same scenario here. Okay? Because all the sales data, your cash related information and all will be stored in a mm, matrix. Okay? And so this will be a feature. So this is a first hour data, second hour data, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, some hour data, right? And this might be in place of a you will say a day. Right? On day one, on first hour, how much items got sold? So you're telling 10, right? And we can change it also, the numbers, 30, something like that. So now this is table. So in Excel sheet, we have ways to calculate, right? So in most of the real time scenario in my ML and all, your data will be either coming from database or it will be coming from your Excel sheet. Right? So you should have a capability to add everything. Right? If you want to have sum of everything, np dot sum of A will give that. Okay. But if you want to have row wise and column wise, right, you have to have it like this. So suppose our matrix is this. Our matrix is this is my matrix. This entire sheet is my matrix. Okay. And you want to find the sum of everything, sum of all the items. Okay. So just you can type np dot sum, right, of matrix A. So it will add all the items from here to here and give you. Right? So maybe its answer will come 1040. Now tomorrow your manager or boss says and said that okay, give me the sum of each hour, right, or from the column A. What you will do? A and axis equal to 0. So axis 0 means it is column. Okay. And np dot sum, if you're calculating a axis equal to 1, right? Axis 1 is treated as row. I'll explain also how it is coming. Okay, give me a moment. When axis is 0, axis is 0 means what? 1 means this. Okay? 1, 0. Okay? And this comes, this first is row, okay? And second is column. Right? So whenever you see axis equal to 1, it corresponds to row. It's coming a row.
Yeah.
Okay? And axis equal to 0, it means column. Okay? Same thing will happen here this side also. Okay? Here 0, comma 1, right? On y-axis. So this is what? Row, right? And this is column. Right? So always baseline is taken on x-axis. Right? You just see the, no need to remember this axis 0 is what and all. You just remember the graph. Okay? On x-axis, take any points. Right? It will be 1, 0. Right? First axis, first point, any point. So axis equal to 1 corresponds to row, and axis equal to 0 correspond to column. Okay? Anybody has any doubt? Team, did you understand?
So axis equal to 0 maps to
Column. See here, what is 0?
yeah. Yeah, axis equal to 0 is column. Understood. So
Don't
axis
take,
equal to 1.
yeah, don't take this one. Okay? It will confuse you. This, the reason I am explaining everything is like you have to understand that at on the x-axis, take any point. 1 will be row and 0 will be column. Right?
Okay.
So the same thing applies to NumPy also. Okay. Okay. I think it is we are 20 minutes past today. We can complete. Can we conclude today and we'll meet next week? Okay. Because we are doing the foundation, so it takes time. Okay.
Okay, Kedar.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, team.
Thank you so much.
Okay.